Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Motorola G22 phone. We start by turning off the phone. We never clean the phone while it is turned on, so we press the power button, select the power off option, and wait until it fully shuts down. For cleaning, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy such a brush and this diffuser in a set on Allegro or Amazon. If not, you can try using just a toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you will scratch your phone. So we thoroughly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol. First, we carefully turn the phone to the side and hold it firmly with 2 fingers so that it doesn't shift or move while we are cleaning. Then, we gently clean the speaker using a steady, consistent motion in just one direction. The speaker is located right here at the very top, tucked between the screen and the frame, and it is really important that we take our time to clean it thoroughly to remove all the dust. We perform 10 to 15 strokes in one direction, then 10 to 15 strokes in the other direction. We never do right, left, just back and forth, because that won't clean the speaker at all. We'll just be moving the dirt around the speaker opening. And when you make the movement in one direction, the dirt is pushed to the end of the speaker opening, and then it is simply pulled out by the brush. It is best to repeat this action 2 or 3 times in each direction, so that the speaker is perfectly cleaned. And we should have everything cleaned. We set the phone aside for about 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol evaporates from the phone and everything is simply ready for turning the phone on, and the phone will work like new. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please leave a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.